Okay, so I need a shirt that's going to be elbow length or 3/4 because I have some arm surgery and I like to be able to cover up those scars. Now, for whatever reason, if those are the comfortable kind of length of shirts that you want to get yourself some of these shirts. These are amazing. So first of all, they come in lots of different colors. So this is in the maroon, and then I have it in the navy, and then there's black, and there's white, and there's gray, and there's hot pink, and there's green, and I mean, literally any combination that you want, you're gonna be able to find these. This is my go-to right now. This, some flowy pants, or some capris, and I am good to go whether it's work or out. Okay, let me show you what I love about this. So first of all, look at this material. It's stretchy, but it doesn't bind me, right? So see how there's all this extra kind of room around there? So it fits me well, but I don't have to worry about it feeling like sucked in. I don't have to worry about that, right? There's just a nice little amount of space in here. Now, I've gotten these both in large and extra large. I didn't see much difference in them. So really, I think you can do pretty well with most of the sizes. Now, I like the fact that it has this V-neck, and you can see it does have that like little reinforcement there. So it fits, and it's nice and flat here. Now, again, stretchy, you can see how far down it goes, right? So it's at a good length. You know, I just kind of bunch it up a little bit. I don't always like wear my shirt down like that, but you could. Also, if you wanted to tuck it in, it makes a great shirt underneath something, right? So you can tuck it in, pull it out a little bit, do the half in, half out, you know, you can do a lot with this, right? So this here is a staple. I actually have these in the elbow length. I actually even have them in the full length because I wear these all the time. It's pretty much my go-to when I get up in the morning. I choose which color I'm gonna wear, throw on some pants, jeans, work pants, whatever, throw a cardigan over it, layer it with another sweater or something if you need to. And you can see, while it's a thinner material, so it's nice and comfortable in the, in the summer, it's not see-through. So I have a black bra on underneath here, and you can't see it. So I don't have to worry about that. The white one, though, of course, I wouldn't wear a black bra with. But if you're looking for a great t-shirt, if you're looking for what's going to be the new staple for your closet, you need to get these. You are not going to be disappointed.